Hello guys. In this video I'll show you how to give your Facebook page new look. This is so easy and it is official. I think it's not working with all browsers, but I am using Google Chrome for this tutorial. So let's start. First go to your account. Then click little arrow on top of the right side. Here you can see new option, switch to new Facebook. Click on it. And you got new look. This is so easy. Let's look around a little. You can also switch modes from white to dark. I like dark mode more. It's so nice for me. You can go back to old look anytime you want. It's so simple. Just click arrow on top of the right side again, then switch to classic Facebook. That was all for this little tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Hit like, comment down below and subscribe my channel. Also click little bell so you will be notified first when I upload new video. Good luck to you guys and peace.